What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time since I made my last YouTube video, so today I'm going to show you a very fast recipe to do. It's super easy, and this is especially for people who are very busy with work and they don't have time to cook and they want something fast. So what I'm cooking right now is chicken and also salad. So this is the only two ingredients that I'm going to use. I know that this is a very simple recipe. I don't know why I'm posting this on YouTube, but I thought that it would be a great idea to show you guys how I cook my meals. So basically what I do, because I don't have time to make salads, I just go to waitrose. I buy those small salads, as you can see over here, and I cook chicken, which is very fast to cook, and I just eat it. So I'm going to show you how the final outcome looks like. Alright, so here you have it guys. As you can see, it is very fast recipe to cook. It's also very low in calories. I'm going to post the macros somewhere here on the screen, and make sure guys that you follow me on my Instagram. I upload some very cool infographics, so make sure you check them out, and I'm going to see you soon again on the next video. I would love to see you guys in the comments below and let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.
If you stick to what Xenios says and the way that he's telling you and structuring it, you see results in quite a significant time period. And to see those results, to see that you're actually making progress rather than just going to the gym, nothing seems to really change, that was really enjoyable for me to see that I was progressing and that you were excited by